So here we are back with a HYUNDAI charger. I managed to find a substitute dual channel MOSFET. Part number is SQ4937, and I'm going to solder it on and check if the problem is solved. I will try to clean the pads a little bit. As you can see, it started working. The battery is charging, pulling about 50 watts. So as you can see, the battery is fully charged up. The red light is off, green is solid, the battery is full. I consider this charger fixed, and see you in the next one. Bye.